404 species in genus Garcinia. April 1st. Garcinia, the fruit-bearing tree, represents April 1st. Garcinia symbolizes abundance and vitality. If this is your day, you have a generous and vibrant spirit, always bringing nourishment and joy to those around you. Like the tree, you thrive in creating a fruitful life filled with opportunities. Garcinia, a deep dive with Ferb Vu. The world of plants is vast and fascinating, filled with an incredible diversity of forms and functions. As a plant enthusiast, I'm always eager to learn more about different genera, and today I'm excited to share my exploration of the genus Garcinia. This group of tropical and subtropical trees and shrubs, belonging to the family Clusiaceae, has captured my attention with its intriguing characteristics and potential benefits. Join me as we delve into the world of Garcinia, exploring its taxonomy, distribution, notable species, and some of its traditional uses. What is Garcinia? Garcinia is a genus comprising numerous species, with estimates ranging from 50 to 400. These plants are typically dioecious, meaning they have separate male and female trees. They are characterized by their yellow resin or latex, which often has a sticky texture. The fruits of Garcinia species are highly diverse in appearance, ranging from small and round to large and fleshy. They come in a variety of colors, including yellow, orange, purple, and red. Where does Garcinia grow? Garcinia species are primarily found in the tropical regions of Asia, Africa, Australia, and Polynesia. They thrive in warm, humid environments and are often found in rainforests, coastal areas, and mountainous regions. The diversity of Garcinia species is particularly high in Southeast Asia, which is considered a center of origin for the genus. Garcinia species. While the exact number of Garcinia species is debated, several stand out due to their economic or cultural significance. Here are Garcinia mangostana. Mangosteen, perhaps the most famous member of the genus. The mangosteen is prized for its delicious, tangy fruit. Often referred to as the queen of fruits, the mangosteen is cultivated throughout Southeast Asia and is enjoyed fresh or used in desserts and beverages. Garcinia indica, kokum native to India. Kokum is valued for its culinary and medicinal uses. The fruit rind is used to produce a souring agent, while the seeds yield an edible oil. Kokum is also used in traditional medicine to treat various ailments, including skin infections and digestive disorders. Garcinia dulcis. Mundar. This species is known for its sweet, juicy fruit, which is often eaten fresh or made into jams and jellies. Mundar is also used in traditional medicine to treat coughs, colds, and fever. Garcinia atroviridis. Assam galugar. This species is native to Southeast Asia and is known for its sour fruit, which is often used in curries and stews. The fruit is also used to make a refreshing drink. See full list at monsteraholic.com. A deeper dive into select species. Let's take a closer look at a few more fascinating Garcinia species. Garcinia xanthocomus. This species produces a yellow fruit with a sour taste, often used in jams and jellies. Garcinia livingstoni. This African species is known for its ornamental value, with its attractive foliage and bright red fruits. Garcinia morella. This species is a source of gamboge, a yellow pigment used in paints and dyes. Garcinia cola. This West African species is known for its bitter seeds, which are chewed as a stimulant and used in traditional medicine. The importance of accurate identification. Given the vast number of Garcinia species and their diverse characteristics, accurate identification is crucial. This is particularly important when considering the potential uses of different species, as some may have medicinal properties while others may be toxic. Proper identification relies on careful examination of various features, including leaves, flowers, fruits, and even the resin or latex produced by the plant. Conservation concerns. As with many plant genera, some Garcinia species face threats due to habitat loss, overexploitation, and climate change. Conservation efforts are essential to protect these valuable plants and ensure their continued existence for future generations. Conclusion. My exploration of the genus Garcinia has been a rewarding journey. From the delectable mangosteen to the lesser-known but equally fascinating species, Garcinia offers a glimpse into the incredible diversity of the plant kingdom. As we continue to learn more about these plants, we can appreciate their ecological, economic, and cultural significance. I hope this article has inspired you to learn more about Garcinia and the wonders of the natural world.